What specifically interests me about Merrick Bank? Number one, convenience. Number two, opportunity.
The fact that I can actually take Merrick Bank card wherever I go, I travel to Mexico, and they accept that, so that's really a great benefit for me.
The greatest benefit is really the affordable monthly minimum payments.
What interested me in Merrick Bank's services is that I could reestablish my credit after a difficult financial time.
I sort of kind of developed a saying with Merrick Bank since using the card. I call them the bank of second chance. Great bank. I mean, they're there, the staff, when you call customer service, and I'm not talking to a machine. That's the best part.
The customer service reps are always there. They're nice, they're kind, and it's like they feel me, what I'm going through.
Well, the fact that they're by invitation only, I thought was especially cool because it meant they were looking for me.
I also got other offers, and the catch was that you will get a line increase over time. And Merrick Bank, without me even asking about the line of credit increase, right on the spot at 6 months, they gave me the line increase, and so that speaks integrity for me.
Merrick Bank has been very easy to deal with. Situations with them, they've just always been very helpful.
I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't even going to ask it, but since I was affected by Hurricane Harvey, they suspended my payment. When my statement would come in, it would say zero due, and I was like, okay, Merrick Bank, they came through for me. They really did.
I would tell anyone who has received an invitation for Merrick Bank credit card, they should accept it right away.
I'm excited about it, and I want somebody else to be excited about this. I mean, once you get in, I'll invite you, but after that, I ain't never got to say another word. You'll be telling other people about it.